Okay, so we're gonna take a quick look at this a battery charger and maintainer. This is a 20-watt solar panel, and let's see what's going on inside this box. I'm a big fan of these things for backups and well, for maintaining too, because it is what it says, at least hopefully. We have the two clamps here. I have a battery actually that I can put this on. We have the connector here with a cover. That's nice, so you can put it this way depending if your battery is one of those with poles, or you want to put it on a battery that has regular clamps. And then inside we have the wire that goes to the controller. Yes, it has a charge controller and all that. This is your bracket to mount it. And let me take this out really quick, because we have to take these screws and stuff that you put it together with, just how it works. Now, I don't have any sun going on outside, but I'll try my best to show you what's going on. Here's where you open the connection. I'm not going to because I don't need to. Here we have the connector itself that goes in. It's an IP67 cover. That means I can leave this outside. And charge, waterproof controller, Sol Perk. And this is the solar itself. Really nice looking, by the way. Normal photo cell. And that's pretty much it in the package. We have to put this on and go put it outside. Just to show you how it looks, because obviously you're not gonna see too much today because we have zero sun, which of course normal, and it's gonna be like that for at least a week, I think, which, you know, just to make sure I don't put it on the sun. Okay, so we have these. We have this goes from here. We can take this off really quick so we can put these screws to mount these brackets from here. Okay, we put these two little screws from within, and then we put the bracket. I'm gonna put one side just so it doesn't go anywhere, and that's pretty much it. Here real quick, I'm just gonna hold it with a click. And this is it. We are ready to go out. These butterfly screws with a screw going from inside, and you can put it like that. Or if you want to fully mounted, you have the screw holes pre-drilled here. In my case, I might leave it actually like that. Now, if that battery works or not, that I do not know because it's been a while, but it's okay. And don't forget, this is always your solar side. We connect here. Boom. So we'll go outside and put it on a battery and start charging it. That is all I can do here. And here it is. It is actually charging this battery. Well, maintaining in this case. It should say charging. As you see right here, it says charging. It says in the sun and charging, and when it gets fully charged, it will say charged. But I know this battery will take a while to be fully charged because it's been in storage for so many years right now. So I don't expect it to be fully charged right away, but it looks really good. Look at that. And actually, it's not even full sun right now. Look at the sky. Literally, there's barely just, I would say, light, not really sun. And device is somehow still recognizing that light and charging my battery. That's what matters here. Really cool, actually. That's gonna help a lot. So yeah, does it work? Absolutely. Yes, it does. And it works really nice. Look at that. I can actually just put the battery inside the shed and probably place the solar somewhere outside and leave it alone. But for now, it's all good. It's a really good unit.